Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to chat on the Threads app. To get started, let's open the Threads app. So, this is your homepage. Now, you can see the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Here, you can see a double bar. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface, but here you cannot see any option to chat. So, go back and tap on the Instagram icon. Here, tap on the search button and search for people whom you want to chat with. So, simply, there is no option on the Threads app to chat. In order to chat, you need to go to your Instagram account and chat. That's it for today. If you guys liked this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye. 2.